Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to clone your own voice instantly using Uberduck AI, perfect for voiceovers, music, or content creation. Let's get started. First, log in the Uberduck AI and head to the instant voice cloning feature. This lets you create a custom AI version of your own voice in minutes. And here you need to follow instruction to record or upload a second's clear voice sample. Make sure that there's no background noise for best result. And once uploaded, Overduck processes your sample and creates AI voice clone. You can now type text and hear it spoken in your own voice. Download it in generated audio and use it for your TikTok and other social media platforms. And that's how you clone your voice instantly with Uberduck. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.